Today is a great day that the Lord has made. Welcome back to my channel, Twisted African. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up after the video, and leave your comments in the comment section. Today we're gonna be making coconut ice cream. Simple recipe, coconut ice cream. Very simple. You can make it for the kids, for your husband, your wife, the family, your partner. Yep, very simple and delicious ice cream. Okay, so I'm going to show you my ingredients. I already have my powdered milk and my sugar in here. I used about 2 cups powdered milk and a half cup of sugar because I'm not really into sugar. But don't quote me on this because I'm not a chef. I just love to cook. You know, I have the passion for it. So I also have in quantity cups. Yes. Yes, son. Nana use. Echo. Cut ice cream or way na way this is it as well. My trapia. Yeah. Chewing stick. Yep, that's it. Okay. So this is the coconut I used. I used 2 of this, so I don't know if you can see the size of it. I used 2 of that, and then this is the milk I got from blending it. This is the milk I got from blending the coconut. So we're just gonna put all the mixtures together, make it snappy. Okay, let's go. I'll first of all put my coconut water in it. Let me get something else to use for this. Okay, so just pour the mixture in there, the coconut milk in there, just pour it in there. And be very careful, sometimes you have the back of the coconut itself in it, so just leave that out. You can use blender for this, you know. You don't have to go manpower like I'm doing right now. I use blender for this. So just mix until it's very smooth. Yeah. You don't have to make it too thick or too light. Just balance it out. Okay, so now I'm going to taste this and see if it's how I want it, you know, with the sugar and everything. Yes, I don't know if you can see, but this is how it's supposed to look like. You know, not too thick, not too light. Oh my god. Oh my god. My ice cream is going to be scrumptious. I want to put a little of this in it, just to give it that chewy, you know, as you are biting into it. I think this is good for your health too. I don't think it's bad because coconut, yeah, and you know, I don't think it's really bad. So let's see. Just mix that up. Just a little. You don't have to put too much. Just a little. This is gonna be lovely. This is fun. So that's it. I'm just gonna pour them in the cups now, show you how to do it, and then you keep it refrigerated for as long as you can, just to make it hard enough before you take it out and enjoy it. Okay, so this is it. Let me clear this out of here. Okay. Some of that into it. This is gonna be lovely. Okay, so you take your cup, just pour. Don't make it too full, yeah? Enough. I don't know if you can actually see. It's not full to the brim. Just about enough. Then you put your chewing stick in it. Pour your Chewy stick in it. Just pour another one. Then you put your Chewy stick in it. So yeah, this is how it's going to be looking. This is how this is going to be looking. Very neat and nice. Then you keep it refrigerated. Then you enjoy it. Hope you liked my channel. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And then don't forget to leave your comments at the comment section for me to know if there is anything else I could have added to it. If you have different ideas on what I've done today, just leave it at the comment section for me. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.